YouTube, good news. It's finally here. Yes, it's finally here. Watson. Tesla Model X. Sorry. It's not a Model X, it's a Model Y. So, just got home from taking delivery of it. Haven't really had a chance to do much of anything. Got a bunch of stuff. I don't even have no home link, no nothing. But I just wanted to give you guys a real sneak peek of what's going on. Real excited. Model Y stealth. So what makes it stealth? There's no fancy wheels. There's no red brakes. There's no fancy metal pedals. So what makes it a Model Y stealth? Well, this right here, the presence of this carbon fiber spoiler gives you a little clue that this is not just a regular Model Y. And also, this bad boy right here, the underlying, means that this is in fact a stealth Model Y. So what does that mean? 315 miles charge, 500 equivalent horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. And pretty bad, if I do say so myself. As far as delivery stuff, no real dings and stuff to worry about. There's some minor stuff that I'm not going to talk about because I'm a Tesla veteran and it's going to get fixed. But if you have to know, there are some issues here. A paint nib there, a paint nib somewhere around here, and some paint, a big paint dip right there. All of which will be repaired, and I'm cool. Oh, and there's something going on down here and right there. But it'll be repaired. I'm not worried about it. Other than that, hatch is good. Check. Could be better, but it's not that. Check. Hood is fine. Everything is lovely. Doors, fenders, all of the little hot points are fine. Now, mind you, this is a higher VIN. This is a 37,600. So it's going to be a little bit easier for us to get the kinks out. So, I don't have any problem with that. So here we go. And don't forget about my PPE hanging sanitizing. That's just what I have to do for my job. But more to come. Yes, it's dirty, and that's that way for a reason, because I want to do a proper decontamination wash on this, and I'll post that. Got a lot of content going on here on License to Drive. By the way, if you want more content on not just Teslas, because this is not what this channel is about. This channel is about cars, and just Teslas is what's going on at the moment. Please like and subscribe, and we will talk more about this. Oh, and the new taillights. This part is what illuminates. This is amber. So if I turn on the, hold on. Yeah. Hold on. You can't just be showing where I live. Can't be showing where I live like that. All right. New taillights. This used to be the brake light, but now this is the brake light. So after August 13th, if you have a build, music that I don't own, sorry about that. If you have a car built after August 13th, this is built on August 15th, you get the new taillights. The indicator is amber, not red. Turn signals, amber, you got the new taillights. Red, you're old. So there's nice fit on these charge ports now too. Sweet. Much better. Much better. So that's what's happening, and I'm sweating because it's hot in my garage. But I wanted to give you guys the first clue of what's going on, and I'm about to plug it up for the first time. I hadn't even plugged it up yet, just got home. So much more to come. And like I said, tell the Motor Club, we're good to go. Our VINs, 37 and up, we're in there. I mean, if you're in the 40s, you're good to go. So hope that helps. Like and subscribe. We got more content coming, and it's here. Stealth. And this thing's fast. I mean, I drove it briskly on the way home today in Mexico, where it was a little, I'm not going to say how fast I drove. Let's just say it's fast. It's really, really fast. So, once again, oh, check this out. This is cool. The repeaters never run this up. Okay. Like I said, I've never seen this before. This is all new to me. Okay, so I don't know if this is new taillights, but that's what they look like. So, like, subscribe, and I'm back to my second Tesla, and here we are. This was built August 15th. So 15 days ago today, this car was built. Matter of fact, 2 weeks ago today, this car was built. Today's the 30th, and this car was built on the 15th. So not bad for 15 days old. This is my favorite shot of this car. Not bad. But now I need to set it up, and I gotta program the, I'm sweating like crazy. It's hot. I have to set up pretty much everything. I've got all this stuff I have to put into the car and all my things. So that's what I'm gonna be doing until dinner time. So take care. Peace.